Just give me the signal when we're rolling. We're rolling. Hi. Welcome to the beginning of the HTML series where we talk to you about the HTML fundamentals. At first glance, what is HTML? It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And what is it supposed to actually do? Well, it mainly provides the structure and outlines your actual web page. At first glance, as we can look up above here, you can see the three gentlemen working on the 4x6s and 2x4s. That's pretty much how we're actually going to start. You can think of it as building the building blocks of an actual web page. Because at first glance, it's not going to look pretty at all. It's not going to look pleasant. It's not going to be pretty on our eyes. But its main purpose is going to create the outline of what your data, your images, and the text will actually showcase. So looking up above here, you can see, all right, we have some 4x6s and some 2x2s, and pretty much what that's going to turn into is something. If we can actually scroll down here. Oh, look at that. Scrolling up. All right, so those actual 2x2s and 2x4s and 4x6s will actually eventually turn into some type of frame. Okay, so picture your website as mainly just a frame of images and data and text. And of course, they're still going to look ugly because I would not live in that. But later on in the series, when we actually add CSS, the CSS will actually turn our frame there into something like this. Okay, so when we get to the CSS, we'll see how to turn those wood blanks, the wood planks into something like this. That's by adding CSS. But because you're here for HTML, our HTML is going to start out like this. So you'll have to be patient as we'll start going over the different elements and tags that actually allow for you to actually work with HTML. It's not going to be pretty, but this is the first step in your journey with HTML. Okay, so follow along. In the next actual video, you'll be able to see a small bare bones web page or website, and pretty much from there, what you'll be able to do is just kind of see exactly what you'll be working with all throughout the actual series. And we'll also have another video, a sneak peek, as that sneak peek will allow for you to see how to add CSS, JavaScript, which we'll talk more about later in the series, but CSS, HTML, and JavaScript to an actual web page. Okay, but that's it for now. Mr. Stack out, like, and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.